Hello friends, welcome to 5 Best Tools Hub. Digital soldering microscopes are essential tools in the realm of electronics and precision engineering. These devices integrate high-resolution cameras with powerful magnification capabilities, enabling users to view and work on intricate solder joints and electronic components with unparalleled clarity. Unlike traditional microscopes, digital soldering microscopes offer the added advantage of digital display, often connecting to a computer or a standalone screen, to provide a real-time, enlarged view of the working area. This feature not only enhances accuracy and precision in soldering tasks, but also reduces eye strain and improves overall efficiency. Whether you are a hobbyist, a professional electronics technician, or involved in research and development, a digital soldering microscope is a valuable asset that facilitates meticulous inspection, repair, and assembly of electronic circuits. Number 1. Elikliv EM4K Digital Soldering Microscope. The Elikliv EM4K Digital Soldering Microscope is a robust tool designed for professionals and hobbyists needing precise magnification for soldering, electronics repair, and intricate craftsmanship. Here's an in-depth look at its features and performance. The Elikliv EM4K Digital Soldering Microscope is a powerful tool for anyone engaged in precise, detailed work. Its high magnification, durable construction, and compatibility with various devices make it a valuable addition to any workshop. While it has a few limitations, such as the monocular design and power dependency, its overall performance and features make it a top choice for digital soldering and intricate craftsmanship tasks. Number 2. Hayve 12 Mark Digital Soldering Microscope. The Hayve 12 Mark Digital Soldering Microscope is a versatile and portable tool designed to meet the demands of precision work, particularly in the fields of electronics, soldering, and detailed inspection. Here's a detailed look at its features and performance. The Hayve 12 Mark Digital Soldering Microscope is a valuable tool for anyone needing detailed and precise magnification. Its combination of high-definition video, broad magnification range, and portability makes it an excellent choice for professionals and hobbyists alike. While it may not replace more advanced, stationary microscopes for all users, its ease of use and versatility make it a strong contender in its category. Number 3. Andonstar AD210 Digital Soldering Microscope. The Andonstar AD210 Digital Soldering Microscope is a versatile and high-performance tool designed to meet the needs of both professional and hobbyist electronics enthusiasts. Here is a detailed review based on its specifications and features. The Andonstar AD210 Digital Soldering Microscope is a reliable and efficient tool for anyone involved in electronics work. Its high-definition imaging, robust construction, and user-friendly features make it a valuable addition to any workbench. While it may not cover every possible need, especially for extremely high-magnification tasks, it offers excellent performance and versatility for most soldering and inspection tasks. Number 4. Huiley MG1200A Digital Soldering Microscope. The Huiley MG1200A Digital Soldering Microscope is designed to provide high-definition magnification for soldering tasks and other detailed work. With its robust construction, high pixel resolution, and versatile features, it caters to both hobbyists and professionals who require precision and clarity in their tasks. The Huiley MG1200A Digital Soldering Microscope is a reliable and versatile tool for anyone needing detailed magnification for soldering or similar precision tasks. Its high-definition display, robust build quality, and wide magnification range make it an excellent choice for both professionals and hobbyists. While the monocular design might not be ideal for extended use, its overall performance and usability make it a strong contender in the digital microscope market. Number 5. Hayve 9 Mark Digital Soldering Microscope. The Hayve 9 Mark Digital Soldering Microscope is a versatile tool designed for precision tasks such as soldering, electronic repairs, and other close-up inspections. With its range of features and high-quality specifications, it stands out as a reliable and efficient microscope in its category. The Hayve 9 Mark Digital Soldering Microscope is a powerful tool for anyone needing high magnification and detailed imaging. Its extensive feature set, coupled with strong performance and build quality, makes it an excellent choice for professionals and hobbyists alike. Whether you are working on electronics, performing detailed inspections, or engaging in any task that requires close-up viewing, the Hayve 9 Marks is a reliable and effective solution. Many thanks for watching this video.